You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing, to say the least, word. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including biblical vocabulary, names from the Bible that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos that you'll want to learn from. There are two different pronunciations. Now, most generally, this is often said as Davidic. Some may say it a bit more as Davidic, which is fine. So it's Davidic or Davidic. Or the Oxford Dictionary specifically says that the pronunciation in English, British English, is as Davidic. So I guess that pronunciation also exists. Davidic or Davidic. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.